Let's go.
Most of people in this era, they have a problem with their life, such as like their healthy, their friendship, their activity daily, and so on. So I think that we have a problem. We must fix it. We must look for the solution. So when we want to be stable to our life, like friendship, like healthy, like family, studying and working, so on, we need something that can connect it with all of them. So we present the Ringo one. We energy, the voice, the life. The Ringo one is an intelligent verbal ring that harvests solar energy, enhances the voice, and connects with your activity, whatever it takes. So you can look the views. It is the top view, it's the front, and it's the side view. So we next to the tail. The features of the Ringo one is solar charging. It can convert sunlight to clean and energy. Second, it has a voice boost and clarity. Enhance your voice for calls, presentation, or speaking in noisy places. The third, health monitoring. Raise heart rate, stress level, and daily activity. And fourth, speaker and microphone. Built-in audio system for hands-free communication. And five is connectivity, smart connectivity, sync with your device, and AI assistant for a smart life. And so how it works? The first step is we charge it to in the solar. We wait maybe for the 30 until 1 hour. So when it's full of the battery, we can use it, and energy will be saved in the ring, and the device we can use it. So it function for the life is can speak clearly, be heard anywhere, stay powered, stay connected in everywhere, and know your whole body healthy, and it takes care of yourself. So the details. Again, it has the HD camera and light sensor, flexible hand for adjustment, solar panel, status LED, microphone, speaker output, button, power and function. So specification is so light to the hand. Its weight is 28 grams. The material is made from titanium alloy. Solar panel is being high efficiency monocrystalline, and the battery capacity is 120 mAh from solar, and you can charge from the plug or cable. The connectivity Bluetooth is now the 5.3 version. The water resistant version is IP67. The compatible is for iOS or Android. And the charging, as I mentioned before, can be from solar and USB-C backup, or maybe we will make gain through the wireless charger. And color option here is the color. We have three options. Now, first one is space gray. The second is sand campaign, and the third is my favorite. It's midnight blue. And that's all. The Ringo one is always being function for our life. So use it for your life and your better life in the future. Thank you.